Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from sunny and hot Margate, Florida. By the way, that's our telephone number if you have questions. The website is all there. And if the product I'm going to talk about today, I'll have a link at the bottom of the video. Just click on it. It will show you the price, everything you need to know. That being said, come on over here. What do we have? Well, we have a brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500, and we put on a RetraxOne MX. So let me tell you some of the differences between the models. Well, the MX is referring to the rails. It's a low profile rail, and it does match the bed caps on this GMC very well. Now, this being the RetraxOne, it has a polycarbonate rolling section here, and it does come with a lifetime warranty. This is a very great price for an entry-level rolling cover. And let's go here and I'll show you some of the other things it does here. Let's see. Now, it's got some features that no one else does. For example, on this one, it will lock anywhere along the track. So I go here and take this, which, oh, it is locked. It's funny, I don't remember locking it, but hey, it's good. You can see how it works here. Now, if you look over here, see this little seal around here? That's if you live up north, you don't have to worry about water getting into the lock and freezing. So when you go unlock it, you can't. Here in Florida, it's about water. So you, let's try this again. There we go. We leave all the bloopers in. There we go. Brand new little stuff here. Now here's your little handle here. Now, a lot of people, first thing they ask is how much room do you have inside the bed here? Well, as you can see, it's not too bad. This is about a 10-inch canister, and you still have plenty of room underneath the canister. So if you want to put some plywood in there, not a problem. Works just fine. Now, again, this one will lock anywhere along the track. So I go and push the button, and I stop here. I can lock it. So I can put anywhere. So I close the tailgate. I got something tall. I can bring the cover, lock it in, and hold whatever that thing in place. Works out just fine. Again, nice and easy. So I tell you, I think this is a great cover. We sell a lot of Retrax. It's a very popular cover. Nice and low profile, very clean, matches the truck very nicely, and it's a good quality product. And again, they have a lifetime warranty on this. Now, there's some fine print in the lifetime warranty. You should always read that. I'll probably put that on the bottom of this video if you want to read the warranty on that. Again, if you like this product, you can come to the store. We can install it for you, or we could ship it anywhere in the country. I get calls from people all over and like, well, I live in Maryland or Texas or California. You can't help me. I go, of course I can help you. I can ship it right to you, and I can walk you through the installation. What's nice is we have several people who do install. So we have Joel, who's behind the camera. He installed this one today. I do installs, and then we have Dave, and then of course John, our general manager, can help you with questions. We can help you with a lot of questions, make your life a lot easier. Again, this is the RetraxOne MX on a GMC Sierra Denali, and I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.